Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang scored 141 goals in 213 games for Borussia Dortmund since he arrived from St. Etienne in 2013. He contributed 172 goals plus assists in 213 matches in all competitions for Dortmund, averaging a goal or assist every 96 minutes. The 28-year-old ended the 2016-2017 campaign as Bundesliga's highest goal scorer with 31 goals in 32 league appearances, and he was second runner-up in the 2017 African Player of the Year award after Liverpool's Mohamed Salah and Sadio Mane. The Gabon international averaged a goal every 116 minutes in his time in the Bundesliga. Aubameyang holds the record of the most prolific African goal scorer in the German Bundesliga history with 98 goals. The striker is the captain of the Gabon national team, and he is the first Gabonese to win the African Player of the Year in 2015.